Egusu ama ebusuya nyina yako.
That's right.
Na areho. One of the gentlemen they be me kai when it comes to security architecture no. Na owani da so betimi asesa Ghana ye bambo. Including how cry your recruitment. Ye no a ne nsempii no aba ho no. Ni wo achi ye hu said the recruitment process no ma see ye. Dr. Omane Boama.
That's right.
He was one of the finest gentlemen. Now we share the ideas, sir. No, they go akwemu to change our security architecture now. Na nanki ya weni da so. I mean, and all the others omo kana statesmen about 5. Ayeshire omo, including your service personnel omo so miensa. Flying officer and omo account sergeant, squadron leader,
sergeant and estado.
Just say areho. And you see, they be a say or my way. Ya who say assembly anywhere you didn't be a bar. We are very, very reactive. A bar na e wanna put to nice ye break wabna.
Beka na koda.
Na ye be no na e ho nsem na koye bo achibidi. Na enche be na wotwe kakrani. Unim say aban etwa sika bi ye say omo di sika bi be ma ebusua no. 1 million Ghana cedis. Mampani more than they did my ebusua no. Enche kra omo di ama wo mo. Jeff de beto so ama ya. Jeff o de beto so ama ya 1 million Ghana cedis trust fund na no so mo.
De ma mofra no ne.
Not this one. But 1 million Ghana cedis. Mampani ayesa de no di ama wo. Na enye sika no. But say omo be realize say omo num super.
That's right.
Omo future is secured. That's the most important thing.
That's it.
They know omo parents need rule for a purpose. Na omo call on national assignment. Do you know say ye bisa say de na ma o mane boama. Any omo e ka hu ni wu ya. De ye bisa ho asem no be ye Galamsey.
That's right.
Me boa.
Pepe.
Say nko omo ti on baby.
Omo ti on baby.
Galamsey ni krumu anko mbewu.
Dabi.
Because I did not know mukoye no. Near the best topic Galamsey. Yes, say ye the best topic Galamsey. Now they are dead. Na ebra wo mu wuye no. Utie nsem a politicians say kan, including the president na wo su. Mampani John Dramani Mahama. Na me share dem huni ni soda. But that particular day. Ni su so fem ewo Mampani John Dramani Mahama eni ase no. Me hu nam say ade we die. Galamsey onwie ewukrumu ha.
I tell you.
That is what I said. Said John Dramani Mahama ni so we Galamsey endwie ewukrumu ha. But kwabna
Kofi
ebesi nei ade pa ye betumi e dia se empanimfo ye nimonyam eye se ki ye beka se Galamsey
to twa
kwabna etuo ntwa ye mpo anke ye beka se Galamsey ba bia yakon aduri de eso ani
good
kwabna eso ani because me nyini se ubetumi de afepe atu ase de nanso nkekun no bedrum pempenso bi a we will be proud as a nation say afei de se ye kan yensu a ebeburu ohamabu pen aduoson de eye okay
wo kra de me
ye hwehwe ye nsase a ohamabu pen aduoson de eye okay ki ye koyanim but where are we now okujoto black can say me or say President Mahama that time they see you know or say President Mahama to lead a ruthless campaign against Galamsey. Wona ate brofo. You can't ruthless it say.
Just say bibi antimi si ni kwan.
Yeah.
Just say udi si obetwa.
On hwe benkum hwe nifa say wo free hin say wo ye hwan say wo ye den. Oba ne say arenade. O man say oguama. Ti wo se mampani ba ne say arenade.
Yes.
E wo Galamsey ku o man say oguama. But what do we see? If we are hearing say amonfo da so ye Galamsey a excavators a ye be kwa kwachi no no yentimi tracy chances number kwachi owners because most of these excavators are owned by big men and politicians kro ya wo nu wu a enye wo mo ye omo an koto sa de sei no enye ye niwu edine wo a wusu ye politician na wusu nei say ye di first anniversary my young citizens no yere and homa omo ma hwere omo nkwa no but more politicians should buy your heads in shame. 1 year on Galamsey asa kosura ma say more politicians yi me say ene wo ye politician emma woni suo nsofem mo amote especially appointees no emma woni suo nsofem na ye hypocrite
su Crocodile Johnson bia
me say from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama down to all the appointees who are ubesu nei say wo dey kai o mane boama no you are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. Because to the extent say ene amanfo ye just say on fan on she school dan na no ya
obuase ho
na hwe agenda 111 chen adansi asokwa na
you to Galamsey
na ba ku bi kura bakura there from eastern region just say fear
pote it's be bedroom crowd.
There are security officers and penifo yen country etime say we are DC we are appointee we are minister from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de bafem wa woni suo be so fem nne
we hypocrite
say would they celebrate the anniversary of Omane Boama and the Ghana souls are loose we are hypocrite. We don't want to actually solve this problem. Among for excavators yechia no man self fetchire ni ejaya ma omo. We hear all these things going on. By a pretend say we are fighting.
Yes.
And they are dead. Omo families ni share on now say papa na senka wan ha ho kura nke ye because kwa wo call ye no wo kwa yensuo still and sase still ye kwa na ase ye ba but kwabana yen kai ye ho say oman no aye timu no ye de ani on say na no ye pam South Africa foreigners see akoso Ghana for
yakofam aba
ani ekofa o mo yan fo man ko ja Burkina for say mo hwe o mo man
dabi
ba ha ne ye de. And so that is my message. And then, so what me a ewura mi mu akomi mu because anya hwe no me na me wani da so Dr. Omane Boama who say he would have actually changed his security no by yasako ye dem and the security dada no
ebia ne say
recruitment ni pass any we dada no but one thing they say state no ebetumi ana wo mu yie.
Oh yes.
Bra ye behu se Galamsey no.
That's right.
Yeah, penifo bi akese enye boys yi a wo pe bibia kodi. Watch it 22 CD. Wo mu de come na de no. And wo pe bibia yo na yasesa na koto wura mu. You na wo nyere. Let me tell the politicians. And ya chi nipa 1,005. Ya chi nipa 500. Sa echie no enye no ne hia because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka kire say enye sa nkrofo no mu hia.
Dabi.
Even if they are in prison, yenye omumpie because you no mu hia. So where are those behind the Galamsey, the big men and those politicians omuye behind? Let's play a tribute here, and that tribute in say ye protect your water bodies and our lands to honor these people who lost their lives.
Great.
A statement.
In fairness to the memories of these people, in fact, yentuanamo.